guys, it's Anna Super Sweet Video Blogger, and I'm with my friend
Jenna.
And today we got a new phone. I got the iPhone XR in white. The guy already opened the box and took off the phone out, but he didn't have to take off the plastic, so that's good.
The plastic.
So here's my old phone,
The 8.
the iPhone 7 Plus.
So
Okay, so we're gonna open it. Okay, so we have these with the stickers and the information, but I don't need that because I know.
But she needs stickers in the box.
Oh god! Oh, it's already on.
Yeah, because you touched it.
Okay, I'm just gonna. Ooh! I got the white. I wanted coral, but they didn't have coral, so I got white. This looks so good. So let's set this to the side. Let's get toward the box. So you guys probably know we got some earbuds.
Oh, it's actually
We got my charger, and I got my.
Well, I think it's an adapter too. The headphones.
And we got this. I'm gonna take the plastic off right now. That's not that satisfying. Ooh, got a new charger. I have so much chargers. So yeah, here's the box. So I'm actually gonna take this stuff out for now. And then close this. Oh wait.
In her collection.
We have to put the phone. I have a collection of boxes. Are you guys ready? Oh wait, so when I open it, I'm gonna quickly put it in this case so I don't ruin it. Okay, ready?
Yeah, it goes to the front too. Run.
Oh, wait, just take a moment. Oh, girl. I'm just gonna put it in. Is it gonna fit?
Oh my god.
It's not fitting.
Take your finger and smush it.
Got it. Oh, girl, look at that. That's cute. I'm gonna get it in the case online, so I'm also gonna set it up. It says hola and hello in different languages.
Backward.
I get to do my face ID. Oh, I'm so excited. First, scan complete. Move your head slowly to complete the circle.
Look at me like that.
Face ID is now set up.
Oh my god, the first original Netflix series was House of Cards.
Go like that.
That's so cool.
So this is an update with the iPhone XR. I got a new case. So I downloaded some of my apps I need and all the other stuff. I had it for about a week and it's a success. I love it. I definitely recommend, and yeah.